Get him, Chris. The dog is chasing the cat. I mean, the cat is chasing the dog. This is what I put up with every day right now. Uh-oh, we got one more coming in. Let's see. Two against one. I'm not sure if she's going to tangle with that.